Okay, now welcome to this video. Happy New Year. Wait till this up now. I hope say you did good, you did okay. Today one design look well look something like this, but go find part this one obviously. Now more jumping. Now without open default Pixellab and I be this. If you don't get Pixellab, make sure you install it already. Now the second DJ logo I want do now for this week. Now in be this. Now notice this logo what they do now, not be all this cheap 2K logo. After that finish and go observe and wear now mature logo and make sure you self you mature you be where now I'm gonna jump into the video. And the first thing I want to be say this thing go there very simple and fast because I already brainstorm all the idea already. Now what you want to be say we want write text and we can add small image to our text. Now text logo one mainly do now be this and going something I mean now sharp. Now what you want to do fast this text where there so we'll tap the text, we'll go to text side where be this side so we'll tap edit for here sharp. Now we'll clean this new text where they write for here so we'll clean them now we'll write what you want write if you put any name for here but no spell the name complete. You see what you mean one spell na Uniflex but what you mean write for here so na Niflex because I want make the U big well. Now what you want to do now this one now more shift down we'll go position side more move fast more shift and go corner small just shift down go corner small. Now what you want to do next be say we'll tap am we'll change the handwriting we'll go where they call font size. Now to change the handwriting we'll go font side so I'll go my font. Generally now I want change the handwriting. All these font now they download them because this one Pixellab no get them, this one's not the one Pixellab get, this one Pixellab no get them. But if you want to know how to take download font put for inside Pixellab, I already make that video, make sure you try go watch them. Now sharp to font I using this name of this font. Me get the font from where they call dafont.com. If you go to the website they call dafont.com, if you search for any font you want, if you write this font they write Ferrez for years. So if you search them for inside there they'll show you the font, you download them and if you can add them to Pixellab you use. No while sharp I don't press the Niflex. Okay, it all comes like this sharp. So now what you want to do next be say more bring in our U more click our test side. Hope so you understand, you remember where I go. So man delete them again. You see test side, I don't tap the test. No be this test too, I don't tap this test too. May you take note, I don't tap this test because if I tap this test and that thing will show. I click the background, the normal body, I can go now here change. If you tap yes, here go change. If you tap here go change. Now don't tap I'm tap test. I'm gonna click edit now. Now what me one write now be say obviously I write you the first letter already the name. So the first letter the name now one write now go there big. The other name letter where you go write and small. So now I want to now more increase the size first. More increase the size. Okay, we then increase and small. Make the U big small. Now what you want to do next now more change the handwriting of this one also. We'll go font also and they call handwriting we'll go my font. Now for my font so I want for carry handwriting one I won't use again. So we'll go my font now. Get different handwriting for there. If you choose from many handwriting whether they did there. If you want to choose the same handwriting where you don't use before, but you can make a name they more big. But now handwriting they may need to use. So now you go choose handwriting where you want to use, but the one where you want to go with. So we get this handwriting now. Okay. So sharp what you want to now be say more position this one where this one more reduce the size small. Okay, more can go back. More reduce the size of this one small. Okay, it does do okay. Now more shift the neck body. More go position side. More shift the neck body. It will move fast, so I'll move by one. Make your near body small. You understand? Okay. Now next one I want to be here sharp. More can bring cassette to come on one use. So click this plus where they up here. Go click this from gallery. You see them for here. Click from gallery. If you not sabi that one, if you not do one like that, you go this side where they put for here. So you click this where they put import. And at the same thing, if you use any style you want, so you click import. Now I want import. We say I want bring in image. One I want for cut the cassette come out. Now mouse scroll quick. Mouse scroll go up. I'll go this here achiever. Now you go where you keep image where you want to use. Now where I keep my image. Now I'll go find command. I keep my memory card. Mark we find and come outside. So this place now for your phone, you know say obviously go day different. Everybody on phone day different. So now you go your own phone go carry. Now you see this place where they put the DJ thing, so just observe and watch what you want to do for you carefully. Observe now, because now you won't learn many things for you. Go learn to take common background. Now more we try for this side now. This and this I go show first before we will go Pixellab. So for this side now, more try cut down. So we'll put on, just try cut this one. This image, go to the link, all the image where I use here. You get what if you go download all of them for, I'll put on here. See now, you understand? I don't cut down, so I don't reduce something mainly just show. So see now the cassette part show, now the cassette me one me show, now the cassette nice show now. So the next two I want to do now be say more we come out the white thing where they inside this cassette. To come out the white thing now where would they see? Tap the image. See how say here go change. No be test, we know that this A side though. This A side now for the test. We did the image side. So more tap the image side. We can't tap the image where edit. Here we can't change. Now more go where we for come out all the whites. We know make the white show. You see where they put the red color, we'll tap on for here ginger. We call enable one. You see, automatically I don't come out the white. But if not be white, maybe say now blue or now green and that color where you want come out, not be white. If you tap this place where they here, you see this place where they put something where be like drop. You tap them, that will be like I drop. You choose the color where you want come out. Once you press this good, you see and say the color will come out. I don't come out blue now, some part of blue. The light blue don't come out and the dark blue can remain. So now so it just be. So what you want to do now, I want come out the white. I'll tap them. Now the whites neither come out so now the white still show small, so you increase this place they call tolerance. So may not tolerate the white at all. Increase the tolerance. So you say when toleration do the eye. Me say you know you tolerate rubbish anyhow. So me do they increase the tolerance. So you know they tolerate rubbish. You know tolerate the white at all. So don't increase the tolerance now. What me want to do next be say I want change the color of this thing. Now we'll tap this side, we'll go color side. We see color for here, we'll tap color, we'll on them. You can see all the color will change. Now the color one we want use is this simple. If you pick any color now for this stage, if you pick any color, more just go with the white. Now and they see white again. White supposed to be down here. Hey, see white. I must still go with the white. Or if you want, if you go with red, if you go anything where you want. Now what I want to do now, I'm going to reduce the size of this cassette because it's too big. I want to put the cassette for here. I'm going to reduce the size. Now what you want to do, tap the image, let it tap them, go the cassette, go this side, more find size. You saw they put relative size for here, see them. Now until they reduce size. So if you reduce the width, if you reduce the height, what will be the width? The width now, see how long the thing be from this side to this side. The height now how tall it be. You understand the difference? Width from here to this side, so how large one may be. The height now how tall it be, shebi. I'm gonna tap am, more go our relative size now. More can go reduce the height now. It too tall. More reduce this. More reduce the tallness. Okay. More leave am for there first to more we move am. Cause one put another you to the move fast. More. Oh, got to the move slow. So more be and cut down small. E don too tall pass the you. E don too tall pass the you. What you want to do now be say more reduce the size again. Okay, here. Still too tall. More reduce am. We'll put that for 20 more check. So we'll go position side now. So most still reduce and come down small. It don't dey okay sharp, but it don't too small past the use small. More will still reduce. More will still increase size small. More 22 will dey okay. More check them out. It don't make sense now. Now more this one. More push and come out small. Push and go up. You see, so it don't dey okay so. You grab. So that one not like that. In don't dey okay so for where it dey. Now what you want do next? We say one bring in our DJ. One bring in our DJ. Now one bring in our DJ come now. One bring in our DJ come now. Now more go over to this test side. More add new test. We will edit the test. More write the DJ name. Obviously need to write DJ name. More put DJ. Put it like that. Okay. Now what you want to do next? More change the handwriting. More on this side. More choose fine handwriting. More do fine handwriting. Give the DJ. 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 Okay, see the DJ here. We'll come reduce the size of the DJ. You go test size. We'll reduce the size small. Now, we'll go position am. Genje. We'll bring and come down. I want me move fast. So I put that for 15. Mark up reduce the size small. Okay. Let's say the size goes too small. Move. Okay. I must the position away. So you see, so we don't put the DJ for inside. Now, if we don't want to use this handwriting, if we go use another handwriting what we want, where small pass. If I go down there now, we'll see handwriting where small. It's tall but it's small. So that be this. So you see, we'll go with this one. We'll increase the size. Now, all this handwriting what I use for this video, all these things, even the picture what I use, you fit go download them. I'll put how you fit download them for the link. So you fit download them. So you see, my DJ does show well for there. You see this one tall now, but you don't see too big. So you see now in be this. Now if you don't reach this stage now, this thing makes sense. So it makes sense too for your head. Say, oh, this thing mature, and you won't use it again later. You don't want to spoil them again before you press rubbish. You can't spoil. First of all, save them as project. You click this place right there up here. Not be to save them as image. You click save as project because whenever I finish. But one fair keep eye day, so one keep am well for inside Pixellab. So we can keep save and project. We can put am. We put any name. DJJ J. If you put any name, just save am. So the thing does save now. You see am when I mean save. You see am if you tap here, you can't come this side. You see am for up here. You just save am. But now we never finish. Now more finish this thing. Now what did you say if we constantly do again now for this design? Yeah. Now wetin next we wan do now be say make we merge them. You grab make we merge them. Now how we wan take merge them? What you do am slow by slow. You see am say we go merge merge this knee flex and the U together. More merge am first. You see, you tap here, you click the one we want merge. Merge means you want join it together. No merge this cassette. Just when the DJ and the U, tap this side, merge them. Merge means you can join it together. I don't join those two together now. Now, as I don't join it together now, I want give them texture. I might give the texture quick. Now, man, go where texture dey. I already explained what texture mean before. To give an texture means say you want chook another image for inside another image. You want put another image for inside another image. So now texture mean. Now, man, go where my texture dey. Man, choose texture I want give am. Or if you still say, man, choose another image I want put for inside that particular thing where I don't join together now. Don't join it together now. That be the merging. So you see, and so just observe now how the texture to dey work. So maybe say example now I choose this one right there here. So you see how it go change. So now the texture they do be that. It go change everything well for you. So it go make sense. Now, if you don't want to use that texture, if you choose any texture where you want to use, I might use this texture. Okay, now for this place we'll go back to the texture. More click maintain main ratio. That means one may day in 100. More click maintain main ratio. Now we don't put texture for that one, and the next one more put texture put now. More go the DJ, more tap the DJ. You know the center again. More put the DJ for center. Okay, now the DJ dot dey center. And what you want to be say, mostly try push this one small. More come this side. More go position. More push am in near body. Okay, it done near. Now what you want do, more merge. We'll click here. More join them. More join this cassette and this DJ together. So we'll give them another different texture. So we don't join it together now. More can go texture side, go give them another different texture. Now it's more put another, more put image for inside all this the text what I do now. Man go photo side. Now man go my memory card side. So man choose this one. Okay, more put and maintain my ratio, may just dey 100. So you just see example of how texture take be, so I take D. Now what you want to do, more merge everything together. We'll click here. We'll combine everything together. Now we don't merge everything. We can give everything and stroke. Everything that'll be one, we don't merge them. Now what you want to do now, more come this side, can give a stroke. This stroke, more come make it look matured. See this stroke now white. You fit for here find color where it makes sense, where you want use. See, so this stroke now black. It no still too makes sense, but it do okay. And black stroke now me the like pass. So since we don't do this stroke now, we'll make sure this in this center. We'll go this side. We'll go back to relative position. We'll put them for center. We'll make sure it's still the middle. Okay. Now what you want to do, we'll change the size of this our background. We'll go choose YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Now we'll increase the size of our text. We just CIB. We'll increase the size now. So we'll still make sure say this center. Make sure this middle. Okay. Now what you want to do next, we'll give them background. We'll call this background side. See, I don't come up for image side though. Now background side I enter now. We can choose background. If you give an color as background, if you choose any color as background, understand? Or if you don't want to choose color as background, you know what to do next. You will go choose from color from your images as background. I'm gonna find image that go make sense. More helpful for background. So things many of you use, they put as background. So if we choose this one, you see, and so now what you want to do next be say, we'll come back to this our logo now. We'll go this 3D side I put for you. We'll make a 3D shape. We'll come make a 3D logo now. You see, and so it all fat. Now we'll reduce the depth. We'll put the depth around 4. Depth means how thick it be, how fat. We'll make it too fat. We'll just put the fatness for around 4. Make it slim small. So this dark in part. So if you make it dark, or if you want make it dark, it no still matter. But where matter now the part where they go. So this emboss now right there. So move on now. See I copy this emboss now. See come in. Emboss come in say make make sense with the background. Now I want to now. So you see this light. Now you want me the light to come. So we'll put the light. Make they come from the cassette side. Now what you want to do? More increase the intensity of the light. More increase the ambience. All this English show me say okay. I want me the light to bright. Now the hardness, specular hardness. Now I add want me the design be. How thick you want me it to be? Understand? Add come in say how thick you want me it to be, how strong you want me it to be. So now say you'll be. So if you say increase or reduce the bevel, how it take want. If this one now be the bevel now where the cause and may be like say light they shine for a body or light not they shine for a body. So you see so put am for 100. So you see like this, so come make sense. So any another thing still dey wey you fit still do. If you give am shadow if you wan give am. If you give am shadow if you want, but no need, e no make sense. Now, one last thing what we wan do be say we wan come save this our design now. We don give am background, we wan come save am. But you know say if you dey send this one, if you person wey wan design am for clients, no be for your own business, for your own thing, you know say background wey you wan give am, you go wan make sure say the background e dey transparent, which mean say e no go get background at all. You go choose that one. But now us choose from gallery because say us want background. That last one I don lost am. Mostly go give am. Okay, and so e just be. Hope say the design makes sense to you. If you still come over here, don't forget this last part wey dey here. This last one, and to edit the background. Don't forget to edit the background. That means say you want increase the contrast now. And this one na contrast too. If you just play around with all this one no really matter. But if you want use them play, if you just come here, use and play around, this one na focus. Make it take focus on one side, so people will know where their eye will go. Understand? And not still forget to add your name when you don't finish to do something, so person no go thief your work. So if you tap this one, we'll call add text. We'll go over here, we'll click edit right there. So we'll add our name. So if you put any name what you want put for here, you understand? You put any name what you want put for here. Good. Come put them down here. So we'll go my quality position. My position and down where. So my position shift and come outside small. Now what I want to do next, I go change the handwriting of my name. May make sense with this thing. So if you choose any type of handwriting where you want. So tell me one thing now for here now. I want to reduce the size of this one. I push and go ending. I give am nice color. I choose color from the for may I give a normal handwriting. Okay, now that's what I want to do most. Save them. To save, you tap up here, don't forget to save them. You click save as image. Can that explain the meaning of save as project? This one will click save as image. Now we'll click this where we put dimension. We'll tap them. We'll click our ultra. Ultra come see what make the quality they high well. Make it no blur. in case say you wan print am make e no still blur, make e dey strong. Even don print am put for bag, don put am for anywhere, you wan go post am for WhatsApp or Facebook, make e dey clear well well. Now we go click, you go tap this up and save to gallery. You go wait small because the design dey mature, so we make am 3D. E go take some time before e go speak all this in English of rendering, then go start to dey save. If you don save finish, you see am for inside your image, your gallery. You see am for inside your phone. You can't dey inside your phone. Hope say you enjoy the video, say you learn anything for this video. If you learn anything for this video, abeg tell me for the comment section, make me know, so you go fit dey give motivation to dey make more video. I'll see you now for the next video. The image don save.